In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Zoom meeting on your iPhone. First, open the Zoom app on your iPhone. If you haven't used it in a while, give it a second to load fully so everything syncs correctly. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your Zoom account. You can use the same credentials you normally use, and if you have multiple accounts, make sure you're in the one where you want the meeting to live. Once you're in, look at the top menu and tap Schedule. This is the option that creates a meeting for a future date and time, rather than starting one immediately. Tapping Schedule opens a setup screen where you can fill in all the key details. Start by setting your meeting topic, date and time, and duration. The topic is just the meeting's title, so choose something clear that your participants will recognize. Next, pick the date and start time. Double check your time zone if you're traveling or coordinating across regions. For duration, select how long you expect the meeting to run. This helps with calendar visibility, and remember that your Zoom plan may have time limits. If you're unsure, it's fine to estimate. You can always adjust later. Now, adjust options like meeting ID or password if needed. You can choose to use a randomly generated meeting ID for extra privacy, or your personal meeting ID if you prefer something consistent that's easier to recognize. For most public or external meetings, a generated ID is the safer choice. If a password, also called a passcode, is enabled, keep it on to prevent uninvited guests from joining. You can customize it if the app allows, but make sure it's something you can share easily with participants without posting it publicly. Next, add invitees. On iPhone, you can add participants directly by selecting contacts or entering email addresses. This helps Zoom send out the calendar invite and joining details automatically. If you're coordinating with a team, verify you've added the correct addresses and consider time zones for anyone joining from elsewhere. If you prefer to share the invite link yourself later, you can skip adding invitees here and send it manually after the meeting is created. When everything looks good, tap Save. Your meeting is now scheduled. You'll see a confirmation, and your invitees will receive the details if you added them. That's it. Quick, organized, and ready for your next call.